Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to change your name in Clash Royale. Let's get started. So to start, tap the three lines in the top right corner of your Clash Royale screen, and this will open the menu. Now tap the settings, and here inside the settings, look for the section right below the audio, and you'll see the name with the change name button. Go ahead and tap Change Name. Here's how the pricing works. The first name change is free, while the second change is 500 gems, while the third change is 1000 gems. And after that, it increases by 500 gems each time. So make sure that you're 100% happy with the name before confirming it. And once you enter your new name, just confirm it and that's it. Your Clash Royale name is now updated. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.